Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to add different transition effects in lock screen wallpaper of Samsung smartphones with One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and the Google search for one application named as Samsung Wonderland. On the first list you'll see one website from the Galaxy Store. Just click on it. So if this error message shows up, if you are visiting the Galaxy Store, then don't worry, just move back and just scroll down below again. Now you'll see here one website from the APK mirror. Just click on it and just scroll down below. Now get the latest version by saying the respective date. So you can see right now the latest version is this. So I'm gonna click on this latest version. Once again scroll down below again. Now once again select the latest version by saying the respective date. So this is the latest version. Just click on it. Once again scroll down below. Now you'll see here download APK option. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded. Now just click on open. Click on install. Now click on open. Click on continue. Click on allow all. Now just click on this create your different lock screen effect. Now you can see here already included some wallpapers with the different transition effects. So you can check out. So you can see here the preview. So here you can create your own also by clicking on this plus icon. Now click on this image settings. Now click on this icon. Now select the respective wallpaper. Click on close. Now below you can see the next option is effect type. Just click on it. So now you can check it's one of the respective transition effects type, whichever you want. I'm gonna select this spare type. Click on close, and next to it is effect settings. So you can increase or decrease the speed. Even you can increase or decrease the close size also. So I'll just keep it as it is right now. So once you're done with your editing, just click on the save option. You can give any name, whatever name you want to give. Click on save. Now you can set a preview here how it will look. Now just click on the set as wallpaper. So I'm gonna set it only for the lock screen. You can set it for lock and home screen also. I'm gonna set it only for the lock screen right now. So finally we have set. Now let us go to the lock screen. So you can see finally it's working perfectly. So by using this cool application named Samsung Wonderland, you can easily add different transition effects in lock screen wallpaper of Samsung smartphones with One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.